Here is her favorite show. Oh, come on, watch the show, Smokey. Watch the show.
Square dance. Now tether your partner by the head. Don't turn soft or you'll end up wet. Double that round and chase his tail. Now use your claws to make him wail. Come on, you're a dog. Don't be afraid. Now everybody promenade. The key for a horse to becoming a prima ballerina is a good instructor and a lot of discipline. You've got big dreams? You want fame? Well, fame costs. And right here is where you start, with sweat. Hey, check out Shakadoo. Shakadoo was the first canine to bring breakdancing into the mainstream. From the inner city dog pound to middle-class homes like this one. Long before there was the moonwalk, there was a little thing called the moon dance. Sure, tensions are high, and feathers are bound to get ruffled. But let's face it, in the end, there can only be one Lord of the Dance. Now it is time to pay tribute to the fabulous folks who pay my salary. And I'm not afraid to say it. I love them. And you will too. We'll be right back.